we are going to learn beta addition of a 3-digit number with a 2-digit number with carryover. In previous topic we have learned with without carryover. Here we are going to learn with carryover. It is given on your page number 40. Okay, what is your first part of the question? 175 plus 36. See me again. Just now I taught you 1-digit carryover. Okay, on page number 37 or 38. Now you just see 6 plus 5 will become beta 11. What I told you, unit digit will come under unit place. It will, this one will come here. Okay, 11 we are writing in this way, but here we can't write 11. So what we will do, this will go here as a carryover because it is on tens place, so it will go here. Okay, now 7 plus 1, 7 plus 3, 10, or 10 plus 1, 11. 11 again, one carryover is coming. Okay, but here we can't write 11 again, so it will be wrong. So this carryover will go on a 100 place. Okay, and 1 plus 1 will become as a 2, so it will become 211. Okay, see one more time, one more problem. 9 plus 3, 12. 12. Okay, how we are writing 12? As it is, but here we can write only 2. We will start the carryover problem. First of all, we will write always 2-digit. Okay, 2-digit number from unit place we will write, and 10th digit will go in a next column as a carryover. Okay, now see that this one we cannot write here, so it will go on the top of here. In this way we will write. Circle we are making always for the carryover problem. Now see that 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. Here it is 2. Again it will 1, 12. Again this one is coming as a carryover. Means again one more 12. From that more 12, one has carryover. That carryover will return here. So 2 plus 1 it will be 3. In this way it will become 322. Okay. See one more problem here. 7 plus 3, 7 plus 4, 11. 11, this one you will write in unit place. Okay, now this is 10th place. In 10th place you will write as one carryover we are coming. Okay, we are having carry. So 8 plus 1, 9. 9 or 9 plus 1, 10. So 10, again it is 0. Again we are having 1 as carry. So that one will go here. So 7 plus 1 is at 8. So it will become 801. Maybe every of the children you are understanding. Now see that next question, D part is there. 9 plus 2, 11. 1 as 11 we are writing in this way 11. So this one I have written in under unit place. So this one will go here as a carry. Okay. Now see that 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 we are writing here. But always we will write from the unit place digit. So write it 0 here. This one will go carry on the top of 8. So 8 plus 1 is 9. So I am hoping that my children will understand up to here, and rest of the part of this page number also they will perform in their homework part. Okay. That beta addition of a 3-digit number without carryover. Okay. This time you are having the numbers like that in 3 columns, 175, 201 and 123. But there will be no carry. Without carry. Then we will learn in second pattern these kind of problems with carryover. Okay. So don't be confused here. See that 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. So you will write 9. 7 plus 0, 7. Plus 2, 9. So it will become 9. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. It will become 4. Just so simple. Nothing is there beta. And I know that all the children are able to do up to here. See that. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Write 8 here. Now 3 plus 0, 3. Okay. If we will add 0 in any number, then the whatever number is there, that result will come. Okay. Whatever number is there, that result will come. See that now. 3 plus 1, 4. There is no need to add 0 because it will remain always 0. See that. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. So it will become 5. It will become 5. Now see that again. Go on C part. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Right? 8 plus 1, 9. Okay. Beta, here few on page number 42. Addition of a 3-digit number with carryover. Okay? Without carryover. But and few questions are of without carryover, and some of the questions are having carryover problems also. So don't be confused. Means they are on page number 42. Mixed question are given to you. Few questions are without carryover and few questions are with carryover. Okay, so no problem. We know that how to deal with the carryover problems also. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Okay. Now 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. So this one you will write here. Unit place 1 you will write here. Tens place 1 will go as a carryover here. Write it here. Okay, on 100 place. Because here we have already added. Now the whatever carryover is remaining, that will go on the next one. So you will write it here. Means, and make the circle so that you may understand that you have to add this carry also. Now see that 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. So it will be your answer. In this way you can write that. So what answer has come? 1119. Understood or not? Now see that next problem. Okay. Next problem is that see that 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 7, 12. 2 carry. Okay, 2, 12 means 2. 2 will write here. I have written it here. Now this one will go on as carryover. So write it here also in this way. Okay. Now see that. Add them now. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. So you will get as 9. 2, 9 as your answer. Okay. Now see that again. E part also I am doing. So in this page number exercise, whatever is given to you, what you are learning, that you have given some questions without carryover or some questions with your carryover. Now see that again. 100, tens, unit, tens and 100. See that now. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 3, 8. Be very clear in your table. Again I am repeating you. Okay. Just see 8. Okay. Now see that 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 6, 14. So 14, 4 you will unit place digit you will write here. Tens place digit 1 will go as a carryover here. Okay. Now see that 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. So 1, 2, 4, 8 will be your answer. So in this way you will complete up to the page number beta. This is on page number 42. Okay. So rest of the part of this page number you will complete yourself.